Hey, Blobby, what's wrong?
Everybody just calls me ugly. You know, I was even named the ugliest fish on earth.
But that's just because people basically know nothing about the deep sea, and they don't even know that you don't look like this in your natural environment.
I know, I'm really under a lot of pressure down there. And, you know, I walk in my habitat.
Yes, you do. But, you know, we are right now in the Arctic to show the people what an extreme and fascinating habitat the deep sea is. And we dive down to up to 3,000 meters to show its beauty and that it's worth of protection.
And I'm sure you will find lots of fascinating creatures down there.
Like me.
Oh, the Dumbo octopus. Everybody thinks they're so cute and really love them.
Well, I've got 8 arms, 3 hearts, and blue blood.
Don't be jealous. In Aotearoa, New Zealand, you were named Fish of the Year 2025.
Really? Well, finally somebody with taste.
Well, follow our dive stream. You might even see me live.